Go to the admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Add Laboratory. To add a new lab, scroll down and click New. Type in the name of the lab. These are optional details. This part is for settings for labs that provide automated transmissions of results. This part is to specify the conversion factors to convert lab units of measurements into units used in IntelSys. For example, if the lab provides HB and mg/dl, to convert to g/dl, as the unit in IntelSys is g/dl, the lab's results need to be multiplied by 100. So enter 100 here if the lab uses mg/dl as the unit. Click Add to save. To check, edit or delete the lab details, type in the first few characters of the lab name. Select the lab from the drop-down list. Edit accordingly and click Edit to save. To delete this lab, click Del. Laboratory must be saved first before any group investigation can be saved. Click Add/Remove Group 9. For any group investigation, the laboratory must be selected here. That's it. You're done.